Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy A02s. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Click I accept and tap confirm. Then choose continue and tap allow. You want to go with receive on Samsung and send on an Android. Then click on all of these dots to send all of your files. But it will take a lot of time, so I will go with this one file. Now I have to tap on it, choose send and wait. Then click got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will click on the scanning icon, tap allow and scan the code because it's faster. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you wanna check it out, you can go into, for example, folder My Files, choose Downloads or Audio, click Send Anywhere, and as you can see, my file is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!